Slipping into another breaking news that is coming in, Madras High Court has stopped the opening of 10 new Tasmac shops in 2 districts. The Madras High Court has indicated the state is moving towards prohibition. These 10 new Tasmac shops were to be opened after several shops along the highway were shut. Remember, liquor shops such as Tasmac have been subject of protests over the past month. Women had demanded shutting of these. Tamil Nadu CM E. Palaniswamy had also announced closure of 500 Tasmac shops in the state. Akshaynath, my colleague, is now joining me live for more on this story. Akshay, in an environment where there have been so many protests against these Tasmac shops, what does this mean for the people of Tamil Nadu?
Well, Ankit, it is seen that prohibition has been one subject that has been promised by all the political parties in the state. In fact, when former Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha was also there, during a poll promises, one thing that she had said was a phased prohibition in the state. And in fact, Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, after becoming the Chief Minister, he had announced that 500 Tasmac shops will be closed across the state, which was bringing a loss of rupees 60 crores for the state. And in fact, in the last fiscal year, we've seen that Tasmac provided rupees 25,846 crore as revenue through excise as well as sales for the state government. But at this time, we're seeing that time and again, a lot of people have been protesting against Tasmac shops across the state. In Coimbatore, Kovai, Salem and many other areas also we have seen protests by women as well as children, and we've even seen attacks on Tasmac shops. Taking those into consideration, the Madras High Court today said that new 10 Tasmac shops that were to be opened at Salem and Karur will be stopped for a few days. Still, the Madras High Court gives another statement. So right now we're seeing that the closure of those 10 new Tasmac shops, and this is not the first year, but we're seeing these Tasmac shops regularly being closed down in most of the districts in Tamil Nadu, Ankit.
All right, thank you so much, Akshay, for joining us with all those details.